there, everybody. Welcome back to today's video. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and I'm excited because I have a lot of exciting and important information to cover in today's video. I'm going to begin with sharing with you some of my recent results so that you can see that I am continuing to get great results using this proven system, this blueprint that I'm about to reveal and give you a quick sneak peek and preview into the new updated blueprint, which I am super excited about. It was just updated and upgraded and enhanced to be reflective of what is currently working and will continue to work very well into 2024, into the new year. So I could not be more excited. So as you can see right here on my screen, another new team member joined at the premium level, which is our $600 digital product package right here. And here's the proof for you right here. Here is the date, and this generated another $600 for me. So this was one day. Now we're going to head on over to Cash App because I had a payment come through my Cash App. And as you can see, here it is right here. Okay, also on the 11th. So $300 right here. And then we also had a PayPal come in as well. Okay, so there we go, folks. We're going to go ahead and scroll on downward. And I should be able to show you that here. See, money waiting, $300. So this was in one day. Well, actually, it was 12 hours. It was like the end of one day, the beginning of the next day, totaling around 12 hours, give or take a little bit. And that was a grand total of $1,200, folks, okay, in a very short time span. So that's just a quick sneak preview of what is possible. It's not intended by any means to brag or boast. I just want to show you for purposes of inspiring you so that you can see what's actually possible when you do take action and you do decide to become your own boss, your own digital boss for the new year 2024. This is the back office of the $600 product, the premium level product, and everything has recently again been updated, fully enhanced, as we are going to be able to access what's trending, which is very, very important that we have current digital products so that we can get the best results possible for our marketing efforts that we are actively involved with in the marketplace on a daily basis. And what we do is we follow a simple, user-friendly blueprint and dedicate about 2 hours a day on average to applying and implementing the training so that we can take our skills and start getting results. We focus on three things: driving traffic to our website, okay, daily, which is very, very important. And in the process, we are building our email list, and we are also allowing our follow-ups to kick in, our follow-up automations. So what we do is we just focus on using the attraction marketing blueprint. And what we do is we combine two different approaches: a simple copy, paste, and post approach, using and making really good use out of these 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. And we show you exactly where to take these and post them. So we literally remove all of the guesswork out of the equation. We make this very, very easy for anybody, irregardless of your background, your education, your skill level. None of that matters when you plug in and gain access to the blueprint, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and show you right here: 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads. We follow a 7-day action plan for success, okay? And then what we're doing is we're using these high traffic websites free. How to post unlimited ads. These are the ads that you're going to be posting on high traffic websites for free. Now, this is very, very important, folks. High traffic websites. You want to take your business into the marketplace where the people are flocking. And you can do it for free with zero ad spend. You do not need an advertising budget whatsoever. To get started, if you want the premium package, which happens to be our most popular package because it gives you access to all 4 digital products that you can resell for 100% pure profits, giving you the opportunity to earn unlimited $50, $150, unlimited $300, and unlimited $600 commissions. Okay? So this is what we do. We spend about 30 minutes, give or take a little bit, every single day doing approach 1, using the pre-written ads. Then what we do is we plug into one of these to get us started. One of these right here. Okay, we incorporate this into our blueprint daily method of operations. So I recommend taking a primary, using one if you're brand new, and then once you have applied and implemented and you're getting results, you're generating, a nice, steady, consistent lead flow day in and day out, then I highly recommend picking up a secondary and applying and implementing it and combining the best of both worlds. So you can choose between Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. These are all super popular. And we even teach you and show you how to do faceless. So for whatever reason, if you elect not to reveal and show your Facebooks, a lot of this can be done very successfully in a faceless fashion. And people are loving that. They're really, truly loving it. So for example, you can do TikTok and Instagram, or you could do YouTube and Facebook. You could do YouTube and Instagram, any combination. That's what we recommend. And then so we spend some time creating on average 3 to 5 pieces of content daily using a combination of these two right here. And we do it all for free. And then what we also do is anybody that requests information from us, we also spend a little bit of time. However, busy we get, ultimately we scale up, we layer on, and we do definitely increase our lead flow, no doubt about it, as long as we remain committed and consistent. So anybody wanting information from our TikTok videos, from our YouTube videos, we check and kind of monitor, our daily content, the comments. So we'll check the comments on our Facebook, we'll check the comments on our Instagram, we'll check comments on our YouTube videos, and on our TikTok videos. And then we would just respond back with the link to our website. We keep it really simple. This is a very user-friendly, rejection-free business. That's why people love it. You do not have to speak to anybody unless you absolutely positively want to. It is as rejection-free as it gets, folks, because what we do is we use attraction marketing. We have people coming to us. We don't chase anybody down. We don't slide into people's DMs. None of that. I know for the average person, that tends to repel the average person. They don't like it, and I don't blame them. So we do this in a very rejection-free fashion, and that's why people love it. Attraction marketing, folks, is popular. It's powerful. And bottom line, we show you how to do it the right way so that it works, so that you can actually get desirable results and build yourself a very nice business. Now, our most popular digital product package is the $600. So if you, for illustrative purposes, just do some simple math and play around with the calculator once you come into the sales page, folks, you will be able to see what is possible on a daily basis, a weekly basis, and a monthly basis. And I just showed you some more continued, consistent proof of mine. I had, in a day's time, folks, actually less than 24-hour period, it was 12 hours, give or take, $1,200. Now, that is, of course, not typical. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I've been using the system for quite a while, and I've been plugged in, and I just focus, and I stay super consistent, folks. But that's what's possible, for somebody who is a believer and an action taker and actually shows up daily and works her business. And I highly recommend you do that for the best results. Take this serious, folks, because it absolutely, positively works. So everything within the last 2 days or so has been enhanced. It's been updated, the training, so that it's super current as we roll into 2024. So I'm just going to give you a quick sneak preview of what is back here. We're just going to show you 2 of these for today's video. TikTok marketing has recently been updated. Go viral with TikTok. So the training is step-by-step video training tutorials, super easy to navigate, plug into, use, apply, and implement so that you can take and have people coming to your website. You're just driving traffic using these free methods and strategies, driving traffic to your automated system, to your capture page. You're building your list. Okay, you're collecting new subscribers, you're getting them onto your email list, and then your email follow-up messages, which are your automations, are kicking in for an extended period of time, and they are building that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your new subscribers and prospects, folks. And that's exactly what you want. It's really a simple 3-step approach. Drive traffic, build your email list, and follow up. Okay, very simple, and we show you exactly how to do that. So here's a updated video. All this has been, again, updated, upgraded, and fully enhanced. And I am so excited. I'm going to be spending this holiday season diving into all of these new videos and then really running with this strong in 2024. I'm so excited. So we have the intro video, we have the get started video. Again, all of this is brand new, fully updated. How to drive massive traffic on TikTok. And we're doing this all for free, folks, okay? And there's over 4 billion people, 4 billion users active on social media, okay? So, folks, do the math. It only takes a couple to start changing your financial future, okay? Marketing strategy for conversions, bonus training. Again, this is all new. Another secondary bonus training, how to use your creativity with TikTok, how to find winning hashtags, okay? Creating compelling content for TikTok. Okay, this is exactly what counts. Effective affiliate promotions, storytelling on TikTok, building a community and engagement, and a conclusionary video. Okay, so I am so excited, folks. I know I'm going to love this, and I know you're going to love it too once you get started. And then before I close out, let me just show you YouTube automation. This is actually how I got my start online way back in the day, folks. And as you can see, fast forward, oh gosh, some 15 plus years later, end of 2023, almost 2024, and I am still very much using this platform very actively, all for free, folks. And it has, for me, generated some of the best, highest quality, best converting leads on the planet. It's generated thousands upon thousands of dollars for me and my many different businesses over the years, and I highly recommend it. But this is very much trending, and I am very much building and will continue to really build and incorporate this TikTok marketing in the new year, okay? And then I also use and utilize Facebook. Now, to be honest with you, I don't do too much with Instagram. The YouTube, the Facebook, and the TikTok keeps me super busy, okay? And again, you know, we're doing this business ultimately for time freedom, and we're making really good use, working smarter, not harder, in a 2-hour workday, okay? So you really only need 2 of these to make a go of this, folks. So let's go to YouTube. And again, all of this has been updated. We have a wonderful intro. We show you how to generate leads 24/7 and sales on autopilot using the power of YouTube automation. And folks, the beauty of YouTube is these videos stick out there. They stay out there. So your efforts work for you today, tomorrow, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now. Okay, your content will be out there so that people can find it. And what we're doing is we're creating compelling content, okay, so that we can convert a percentage of our leads into paid signups and make daily pay, okay? How to structure your video for success, how to upload your video for maximum results. And this is exactly what you want and need to be successful, okay, especially becoming a master of YouTube. YouTube automation, creating high-catching thumbnails, how to create a winning YouTube banner, how to explode your business with YouTube Shorts. Now, this is all current. It's all been enhanced because this is what's trending, okay? Intro to YouTube Short Growth, okay? It's a short 8-minute video, 8 minutes, 53 seconds long to be exact. And then how to get your first 1,000 views with YouTube Shorts. Get more views with YouTube Shorts Growth, okay? Because this is what's trending. So it's all been added, incorporated, and enhanced. All right? How to find viral titles for your YouTube Shorts. Again, all current, all trending. So we're keeping up with the current times, and that's very, very vital, okay, for our members' success and results to build, grow, and scale up a business, okay? And then we have another brand new video, just added like 2 short days ago, watch live, how to create a YouTube short on your mobile phone, because many of us really are tied into our iPhones, okay? That's how we run our business. So this is all very mobile ready, mobile accessible, and mobile compliant, all right? So this is what has been incorporated, added, and updated. So I am super excited. And then, of course, we have Craigslist, and we have Instagram, and we have Facebook. And then how to post your unlimited ads on high traffic websites. And we make really good utilization out of that. So we take this approach to simple copy, paste, and post ads for profits. And then we're doing attraction marketing using social media, a primary and a secondary. And then we're kind of monitoring our follow up through people who are commenting on our content, requesting more information, and we're just dropping the link to our website, keeping it super simple, easy to duplicate, easy to build, easy to scale, and easy to grow. Okay? So thank you so much. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. That's where I want you to head on over right now to my website. It'll be in the description of the video. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. Just enter a good valid email address. Click on the button. You'll be taken inside. You'll watch a short presentation. And then after that presentation concludes, there'll be another button where you're going to head right into my direct sales page, where there'll be another video that fully explains everything. And then you'll scroll on down to the bottom and you'll select the digital product of your choice. And yes, you can upgrade. You can upgrade at any time by just simply paying the difference. They give you about 60 days to do so, okay? Any questions, text or call me. That personal contact details will also be provided in the description below. But right now, all you need to do is head on over to DailyPayBeginsHere.com to review and learn how you can access this very system and start earning unlimited commissions of $300 a day, $600 a day. And I would love nothing more than to welcome you to our awesome community and see you soon on the inside of this amazing business. Six-figure blueprint, folks. We have the blueprint ready for you at your disposal, at your fingertips. All you need to do is come in, grab it, apply it, and implement it, and start getting results in your business daily, and start enjoying your daily pay business. Thank you so much. See you at the top.